What's your name?
Yaadman.
I can start over, please. Me, I wonder which one of my name I forget.
Oh, yeah, me people don't know, it's your boy Yaadman Etan, and right now we're in downtown Kingston, the first of a couple places where I'm going to find some ladies to ask them to rate me on a scale from 1 to 10. Yeah, can I get your name, please?
Anaki.
Mitzi.
Carson.
Danny.
I'm Renee. Karine. Ashley.
Amani. Carlene.
Rachel.
What's your name?
Stop again, no Jesus.
What's your name?
Nikita.
Nikita. So Rachel, out of 10, how much you gonna rate me?
I'd say maybe 6.
6?
Yeah.
Alright, so what little bit you find what you like about me?
You're extremely young.
So you like them young?
No, Mr. You're extremely young. You have to be older.
So
Older, I like them older.
how much older?
Maybe 50s. And you're not in 50s.
So Carlene, out of 10, how much you gonna rate me?
I would give you a 9.
A 9?
Yes.
Yeah.
10 days room for improvement.
Oh. So what may I put to get a 10 out of 10?
Well, maybe you have to be a little older.
When you say a little old, how old I look?
I don't like the ear.
Eh?
I don't like the ear.
So,
So your ear fits you, It fits you now, But for me,
yeah.
I don't like the ear.
So you don't like Rasta?
Yes, but me, not for me. Me like Rasta, but not for me. I like Rasta for me.
So alright, so how old may I be for get a chance to talk to you?
My dear, you have you like a 40. For me, 47 there about. Yes.
Amani, out of 10, how much you rate me?
8.
8.
Yeah.
Alright, so cool. What you like about me?
You look cute.
Me look cute. So what may I do to get a 10 out of 10?
I don't know. Maybe if I get to know you more, you maybe get a 10.
So you know another Rasta?
Yeah, my father.
So you can call me daddy too?
Zaddy if you want.
Say bomba! Yo, me get away. Ashley, out of 10, how much you rate me?
7.
Alright, so cool. What you like about me?
Your complexion. That alone.
So what may I do to get a 10 out of 10?
Cut off the locks.
Oh, bomba! Karine, so out of 10, how much you rate me?
I would rate you a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Alright, so that means you see something you like and you see certain things where you don't like. Tell me what you like.
Well, I always like tall men, and I always like when men hair cut low. Yeah.
Cut low?
Yeah. Not tall hair.
So you don't like my locks?
No, I don't like locks.
So what may I do to get a 10 out of 10?
Well, I would like it to be a little bit taller and your hair low.
See, it's a rasta for trim?
Well, I don't like Rasta, so that's why.
Alright, so Nikita, out of 10, how much you rate me?
9.
9, mad thing. So what may I do to get a 10 out of 10?
Trim. Your locks not look good or anything, but I don't like a guy with locks,
So Renee, tell me the God truth. How much you rate me out of 10?
8.
Boom, I get a 8. Alright, so tell me, what may I do to get a 10 out of 10?
You have to come real good to get a 10 out of 10.
So when you say come real good, what do you mean exactly?
Real extraordinary good.
Real extra. Alright, cool. You have a man?
Yeah.
Me can broken foot?
Oh, like broken foot, like oh.
Like broken foot.
But I give him 9 out of 10. Yeah. Him look good as handsome, man. Yeah. I don't see nothing wrong with him. Yeah, him look good. That's a shampoo him wash and lie down. How you want?
How you mean people never get you?
Several mornings she shampoos my locks.
Carson, alright. Out of 10, how much should I rate me?
Out of 150. 10. Out of 10? Yeah. 5.
Alright, so what may I do to get a 10 out of 10?
Attire yourself proper, your shoes, everything.
What do you mean? Warm to my shoes, warm to my everything.
Your shoes must stay good. Your shoes dirty. Your shirt wash out.
My gun. Mitzi, so Mitzi, out of 10, how much should I give me?
4.
So why you give me such a low count for?
Because you're too small.
I'm too small.
Yeah.
So what me have to do to get a 10 out of 10?
Nothing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
And okay, more you answer a question for me. Out of 10, how you rate me?
I don't know you. So how many
Rate me, look for me good. And tell me like out of 10. That's what I know.
in terms of what?
Like my looks and everything. You there with me?
You look young, me a big woman, me no there look boy.
So me have to old, so me have to older to get a chance.
Yeah, cause me not gonna go younger than my age.
How old me look?
Look like about 23, there.
Rotted. Alright, so what type of age man you look for?
Well, me at 29, I have to be 29, 30 up.
29, 30 up.
Yeah.
So you can't wait for me for 6 years?
Well, if I did look more, maybe like film body, yeah.
After me done with Jamaica, I go right back and foreign for ask the girl them. I'm going to show you how the girl them in a Jamaica and in a foreign rate Yaadman out of 10. Are you ready for this? All me people don't know says about Yaadman Etan, and I just flying back to Atlanta, Georgia. And it's a cold day in Atlanta. And here we go. We're going to ask some girls to rate me. Alright, so what's your name, miss?
Leanna.
Shormy.
Jonky.
Imani.
Lily Gore.
Javon.
Kemba.
Destiny.
Lydia.
Chino.
So what's your name?
I'm not camera ready. Aya.
Aya. Where you from?
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas? Oh, my thing. Caribbean people in here. Alright, so the question is, out of 10, how much should I rate me?
It's like I want to give you a 9, but I want to give you like an 8. Probably not. 8, 9.
So like an 8.5?
Yeah.
Sorry, why you don't give me an 8.5?
I don't know. Let me see how tall you is.
I'm like, I'm 5'10". I can be 6 feet if you want.
Okay, I'll give you the 9.
Alright, you give me the 9. Alright, my things. So what do I have to do to get a 10?
I don't know. I just don't know you. That's why you ain't get a 10.
See if you know me. Can I get your number?
You gonna do really on camera? Did you just do the eyebrow thing? I do you too, you know. I know how you're gonna edit that. But sure.
Alright, so the question is, out of 10, how much should you rate me?
8. I'll give you an 8. 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
8.5. Alright, so why would you give me an 8?
You have a pretty face.
Pretty face. Okay, alright.
The accent, the dressing's really nice, cool vibes, yeah.
You're the Yaadman them, you know, so when you come and find, you can get a girl, you know. Alright, so what do I have to do to get a 10 out of 10?
Stop shaking. I'm just like, yeah. Grow them dreads long.
How long?
Sit down here.
So you like it long?
Yeah. Oh no.
Out of 10, how much should I rate me?
9.
Oh, 9. Alright, so why you give me a 9 out of 10?
I don't know.
You must know. Come on, you gave me a 9. That must mean something. I look sexy, I look cute. You like my dreads, everything.
Yeah.
Alright, my thing. So what am I supposed to forget a 10?
I don't know.
Alright, cool. So the question is, how much should I rate me out of 10?
Let me see your smile. I'll give you an 8.
An 8. So why you give me an 8 out of 10?
Because I like your smile.
Oh.
And I like your dreads.
So what am I supposed to forget a 10?
A 10? I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm-mm.
When you there with them? Like, dating them or nothing? Are you guys dating anything? Alright, cool. My thing, I can't be reckless. Alright, cool. So, so you don't know what you guys don't know what after the ticket a 10 out of 10?
No.
Can I get your number so we can discuss this later? The question is, out of 10, how much would you rate me?
8.
Okay, so why would you give me an 8?
You have a good height. I like your dreads. Accent. And you're from Jamaica, you know, represent.
Yo, man them, you see that? Jamaica man them is when they come a foreign, find a foreign girl, zine. Alright, so what do I have to do to get a 10?
I would have to know you.
Can I get your number?
No.
Out of 10, how much would you rate me?
We'll go with an 8.
An 8?
I'll give you an 8. I said you're pretty cute. I'll give you an 8.
So like, any other reason why you'd give me an 8?
Love your accent.
Yo, man, I'm in Jamaica, we have a chance. So, what do I have to do to get a 10 out of 10?
God, I have no idea.
Probably get to know me more.
Probably, yeah.
Can I get a number?
God, Fine, yeah.
Woo! What are you doing right now?
I'm donating blood.
Noble. So, here's my question, right? Out of 10, how much would you rate me?
Do a little 7.5.
7.5. Why would you give me a 7.5?
I feel like I'm taller than you.
How tall are you?
I'm 5'9".
I'm 5'10".
I still feel like I got maybe an inch on you.
Let me not put that on YouTube. So what do I have to do to get a 10 out of 10?
Get a 10 out of 10? I don't know. I like darker skin guys.
Brown man them, I'm sorry. Alright ladies, so the question is, out of 10, how much would you rate me?
I give you 8.
7. I'm sorry, half? 7.5?
Alright, so why would you give me an 8 out of 10?
You look good. You look good. You look good. You're just not, 10 is like, it's like Channing Tatum. You know what I'm saying? So you're 8, which is good for the average human being. You know what yeah, you get my.
No, she's right. You do look good. It's just, I guess it depends on the person and like their background and
it depends on our interests.
So what do I have to do to get a 10 out of 10?
From me, and honestly, it just depends on everyone's type. Yeah, my type is.
I totally agree with what she said.
My type is brown, guys. So you'd have to become Indian.
Thank you. Out of 10, how much would you rate me?
8.
8. Alright, so why would you rate me 8 out of 10?
You have a nice personality and I like your accent. My parents are Guyanese, so I like it. It's cool.
Ooh, okay, my thing. Hear that people them get a solid 8 out of 10. So one last question. What do I have to do to get a solid 10 out of 10?
I think that just comes from a personal, I don't know, it's not really a thing you have to do. It would, over time with another person, they could probably think you're 8, and then over time you could be a 10, everything they want at that point.
So you have to get to know me.
Exactly.
Can you get a number?
Funny. This is funny. I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Can you subscribe to my channel?
Sure.
Follow me on Instagram?
I'll follow you on Instagram.
Can I send in a DM?
Oh my gosh.
Yo, I'm kind of cold right now. If you go inside, drink some Milo. Yeah, Yo, we need to take a plane for come back to Jamaica. Yo, people them, thank you very much for watching this episode of Rate Me. Later.